Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today when we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to erase all data. Friends, you want to erase your phone all data guys. So how to erase all data means factory reset. So when how to factory reset Oppo phone, today friends I am going to show you in this video. Open your phone setting friends. After phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, click on your Oppo phone. Additional setting. After additional setting friends, you can see there are many setting: language setting, date and time, keyboard setting, accessibility setting, developer option. So friends, last you can see backup and reset. So friends, tap on backup and reset. Friends, you want to backup your account, friends, you can see backup account. You can only backup my data, and friends, you can backup from here guys. So we will off it. Friends, you can see erase all data. So friends, tap here, and friends, now you can see first is network setting. Friends, you want to reset network setting. So friends, you can reset your phone network setting from here. Tap here, your setting will reset. So friends, click on erase all data option. Friends, tap here, and friends, now when you will draw your device pattern, friends, you can see erase all data. This will erase all data on your device friends, including your photos, videos, music, accounts, songs. So guys, this will erase all data on your device. When you will tap here guys, you can factory reset, and this will erase all data guys. So guys, I don't want to erase my all data, but guys, you want to erase all data including photo and music and songs, videos, everything will delete on your phone guys. When you will tap here, friends, draw your device pattern, enter your password, and friends, click on erase data. You can erase from here. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope you understood how to erase all data on Oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching.